Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add people to your space on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at the 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the space tab down below, which is the third option. Here, tap on your space, click on chat at the top and click on add people in the middle of the screen. After that, you should search for people by typing in their name or their email address into the search bar. After typing in their email address, here are the results. Tap on the people or the person you want to invite and click on the check mark icon at the top of the screen, so the invitation will be sent to them and then they can join your space. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.